It's May 5th, 2020, and today's ride does not have any particular destination. It's just a ride around western New York. I am riding my 2007 Yamaha FZ6. It has about 35,000 miles and is still running strong. Dean is on his 2017 Harley Davidson Lowrider. We are still locked down because of the COVID virus, but you can ride or travel in a car without any problems. We did have a good amount of rain the last few days, so the salt on the roads has been washed away. It's a sunny but cool 65 degrees, so no need to wear the winter gloves. But lined overpants and a lined jacket will keep me warm. My GPS still will not keep a charge, so I will not have any map graphics to show where we rode. As you can tell, most of the trees and plants are still in hibernation from the winter, so everything is just brown. It's just nice to be able to get out of the house for a nice spring ride, and that is exactly what I needed.